So here is a healthy prepared oha soup. Oha soup offers numerous health benefits, including aiding digestion, boosting the immune system, and providing essential nutrients. Will you be trying this recipe today?
Yo, my people, welcome again to Mazi Chow. Know the level now, mom was always back. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. As we tell you now, we prepare our soup today, which is mainly known with the Anambra people from southeast of Nigeria. This our soup now gets name from oha, which is the leaf. So I'm gonna just stay, watch how people prepare this soup. And I know that this soup now, why people too like it, because of say, feature for house and for occasional purposes. So I'm gonna stay, watch how to prepare this soup. And never forget to stay healthy, eat healthy, and drink enough water. Thank you. Follow me. Now peeling the cocoyam. After peeling the cocoyam, we start pounding it. And yeah, we are boiling the meat, the pomo and the stockfish, also known as oporoko. This is the pounded pepper, crayfish, and the uziza seed for the mixture of the seasoning. And here's the oha leaf, the sliced oha leaf. And this is the ogi. This is the combination of all the ingredients, the meat, the stockfish, crayfish pepper, and the uziza seed. And now we're about to, and the cocoyam. Now we're about to put the oha leaf into the whole mixture.